In software project management, the topic is strategic program management. Program management definition. The definition is a classical definition of program management by DC Phones. A group of projects, they are maintained in a coordinated way to gain benefits that would not be possible were the projects to be managed independently. Different forms of project management. There are various forms of project management exist. They are strategic programs, business cycle programs, infrastructure programs, research and development programs. First one is strategic programs. Portfolio program models define a strategic domain process within the organization. Group of projects can lead to single strategy. Organizations can be grouped together and every activity associated with each distinct project can be controlled and coordinated manner as a program. Business cycle programs. A project portfolio is a group of projects carried out under the sponsorship or management of an organization. Prioritizing projects must be based on decisions made by the project manager to handle them in different situations. If one project needs more resources than expected, expenses can be incorporated from other projects, giving performance to the former one. Importance must be given to individual projects inside the portfolio. Infrastructure programs. Organizations differ in the way they exist. Some of them have distinct departments while others have integrated systems. Each department may be unique in handling. A uniform infrastructure will allow sharing of applications between various departments, which would help in the development process. Information having distinct database defined. Research and development programs. Innovative companies develop new products that are too risky. If the new product fails in the market, it will be difficult to handle the situation. On the other hand, the new product becomes success. Then there will be huge leap in the business organization. Certain development project results in a good planned project. But projects that are too risky, if successful, yields more than benefit than the innovative ones. The risk involved fluctuates in an innovative project. Research projects leading to a new discovery results in technological revolution that affect the market. Strategic program management. A program manager must possess these qualities. Managing simultaneous projects inside the portfolio. Resources must be well understood. Utilization of resources must be attained. Optimal usage of specialist staff for specific tasks. When portfolios of projects contribute to a common objective, it leads to strategic management. To have consistent and uniformity of projects, a business objective is defined to coordinate the project at a different level. Large organizations typically have a large and complicated organizational structure. Creating a program. The various phases involved in creating a program are defined as creation of program mandate, program brief, vision statement, blueprint of program, program portfolio. Creation of program mandate. A program mandate contains a formal document containing new services that program delivers, benefit of organization by new services, meeting the corporate goals and other initiatives. A program director is nominated within the organization to provide an initial leadership for the program. The program director must be from the sponsoring group which has already identified the need for the program. Program brief. A program brief defines the feasibility study of the program. It includes preliminary vision statement highlighting the capacity of the organization, benefits generated from the program, risks and other issues involved, estimated cost, effort and time limit for completion. Vision statement. The vision statement describing the sponsoring group with a more detailed planning process. To govern the day-to-day responsibilities, a program manager is appointed from within the project management team for running the program. Program manager along with the project development team analyzes the vision statement and formulates a refined plan for implementing the process. Blueprint of program. The description of the vision statement and the changes that have been made to the structure and the operations are represented in the blueprint. A blueprint must emphasize on requirement of business models for the new process, staff requirement by the organization, resources requirements, data and information requirements, cost, effort, performance, and service level requirements. Program portfolio. Initially, a list of projects are created along with its objectives to create a program portfolio. An outline schedule of the entire development process is presented by the sponsoring group with all estimation factors. Groups are identified with similar interests and drawn out as a stakeholder map. A communication strategy and plan shows the appropriate information flow between stakeholders. The preliminary plan produces the project portfolio estimation of the cost, expected benefits, risk identified, and the resources needed. Thank you.